Good day, everyone.
I am Angel Cardente.
I am Chris Maytorion. We are the representative of Group 5 Travel Literature.
Mount Kitaman Range Natural Park is one of the few remaining rainforests in the Philippines, hosting one of the most important diverse species of rare and endemic wildlife, most especially the Philippine eagle, which is now known as the country's national bird. Indeed, the far diverse and rich flora and fauna make it one of the last sanctuaries of the country's natural heritage. During World War II, soldiers fighting in the Pacific were dying or getting sick from malaria. Malaria is a disease spread by mosquitoes, and it makes you very weak and unable to fight. The best medicine for malaria is quinine, made from bark of special trees called cincuna. The problem was that the Dutch, who controlled the main source of cincuna trees, were taken over by Germany. This meant the Allies couldn't get the medicine they needed.
In 1927, before the war, the Philippines President Manuel Quezon had started a cincuna plantation in a place called Bukidnon. This plantation grew lots of cincuna trees, and they even produced better quality bark than the original source. When the war started, this plantation became very important even though Japan took over the Philippines. People in the plantation kept working secretly. They gathered cincuna bark and sent it to the Allied soldiers. This quinine from Bukidnon saved a lot of soldiers' lives and helped the Allies win the war. It shows how important it is to be able to produce important things in your own country instead of relying on other countries. The article is about how small plantation in the Philippines played a big role of helping the Allies win World War II. It is a reminder of how important it is to be able to provide for yourself in times of crisis.
Reading and analyzing the article, it effectively utilizes the genre of historic reporting by clearly presenting a specific event, explaining its context, and highlighting its importance. The article's structure, the tone, and even the language are consistent with a factual news report. And also, the article engages the reader with a compelling story of a hidden contribution to World War II efforts. The article explains the context of the situation, outlines the challenges, and emphasizes the importance of Bukidnon cincuna plantation in overcoming these difficulties. It also highlights the bravery of those involved in procuring and transporting cincuna bark during the war. While the article follows the standard structure of a historical news report, it effectively incorporates a unique angle, highlighting the often overlooked contribution of the Bukidnon cincuna plantation. This focus on a lesser-known aspect of the war adds a new dimension to the narrative. The reason sad nga nung interesting sad ni siya nga article is that the content itself because ang content ani niya nga about sa Bukidnon cincuna is that gamay ra or talagsaon ra ang nakabalo. Aside from that, the article's language is clear, concise, and engaging. It uses well-structured paragraphs, a logical flow of information, and varied sentence structure. The article's writing quality is high, making the information easy to understand and follow. The article also includes a single image, a black and a white photograph of a medic attending to a soldier with malaria. This visual element helps to set the context and emphasize the importance of fighting malaria during the war. However, the article would benefit from additional visual elements like maps, photographs of the cincuna plantation, or illustration to enhance the reader's understanding of the story. Kaya in order para sa masabtan gyud or ma-visualize gyud sa readers ang gusto ipaabot sa article is that pwede sad sila mag-add og like mapa, mga pictures na ga-show sa cincuna plantation and also para ma-illustrate or ma-enhance ang reader ang pagsabot about sa story. Overall, this news article provides a compelling and well-written account of the Bukidnon cincuna plantation contribution to the Allied effort in World War II. It effectively conveys the importance of local resources, strategic planning, and the resilience of the Filipino during the wartime. While the article's visual elements could be expanded, its strong writing and insightful narrative make it a valuable contribution to a historical understanding.